Hello everyone and welcome back to Denise Glam Style Living. In today's video, I want to share with you my warm and cozy fall tablescape using some of the core items from Pottery Burn. So let's go decorate my table. First, I laid down my white tablecloth and my gorgeous beaded table runner that was a gift from my dear friend and sis, Glamour Ellen. Next, I'll be adding in my beautiful matching pumpkin placemats. My dinnerware was purchased from Home Goods. My gold flatware came from Hobby Lobby. My beautiful glassware was purchased from Z Gallery. My napkins came from Burlington. And my pumpkin napkin rings was purchased from Home Goods. I did this gorgeous floral arrangement. My vase came from Tuesday Morning, and my florals was purchased from Pottery Burn. They are so beautiful and feel so real to the touch that I purchased 4 bundles in all. Next, I'll be adding my Pottery Burn pumpkin lantern on each side of my arrangement. Welcome to my warm and cozy Pottery Burn fall tablescape. Please come in, relax, and enjoy the tour. hope you enjoyed my warm and cozy Pottery Barn Fall Tablescape, and it gave you lots of inspiration for the fall season. If so, then please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to tap that notification bell so you'll always be notified when I upload new video. I want to give a special thanks to all my new subscribers. Welcome to my channel, and I'm so happy you are here. Nice to meet you. And to all my returning subscribers, welcome back. Thank you all for your love, your kindness, and support. You are so amazing, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget to share me out because I'm on the road to 3K, and it helps my channel to grow. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed and wonderful evening. Bye-bye.